my name is Stacia Alexander. I'm a licensed professional counselor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'm so glad to join you today as we begin our talks about activating your life. Today, I won't have a long time, but I do want to present to you some very important information. We're going to talk about back to the basics. I'm so excited to join you today. All right, let's get down to the basics. The first step is doing an assessment. I want you to spend some time considering those things that have been beneficial to you in the past. That's why I'm talking about getting back to the basics. Are you tenacious? Are you organized? Are you a friendly type of person that can get along in different types of social groups or professional groups? Whatever those skills and traits are, you want to use those as you get back to the basics to build up to reach your future goals. I do have an online survey that you can take. Should take no more than about 15 minutes. It's located at positiveinfluences.pro.viasurvey.org. Take that and then do a self-assessment, and you will have a good understanding of what your strong traits are as you begin to develop your goals for 2016. Because I don't want you to duplicate things that have not been helpful for you. I want you to build on those skills that have been strong for you and have been effective for you. So we've done step one. Let's go to step two. Statistics show that if you have written down your goals, you will have a greater success at reaching those goals. So that's what we're going to do as we get back to the basics for 2016 to activate our lifestyles. I want you to get some type of journal system, even if it's on your smartphone, an old tablet, whatever you have, and write down some long-term and some short-term goals. Now, when you write down those goals, make sure that you have an end date for reaching those goals. You don't want to work into the black hole and not have an end date established. Let's start with a short-term goal, 21 days, and then sit down at the end of those 21 days and do an assessment to see how effective you've been, if you need to make some adjustments, or if you can carry on as you plan. We are down to the last step of back to the basics. And if anyone knows anything about me, they know that I'm a huge proponent of accountability. I spent an entire month in August talking about holding ourselves accountable. So for step three, I do want you to implement an accountability factor on whatever goals you've established for 2016 as you begin to activate your lifestyle. If you're working on fitness, get a training person, some type of professional trainer or a fitness buddy. If you're working on your financial goals, you want to talk to someone who is skilled in that area. If you're working on your personal life, that's why I work as hard as I do, because a lot of people use me as an accountability factor. They don't come to me because something is going terribly wrong in their lives. They come to me because I serve as that accountability partner, or accountability factor. It's not that they have to answer to me. It's that they're holding themselves accountable. They're not looking for permission. They're not necessarily looking for all of these answers as if I'm some guru or wizard, but they are looking for something to hold them accountable. Because again, the statistics show that when you have someone that you're accountable to, you will do a better job. That's simple as it is. We have our 3 steps at this point. We're going to do an assessment, the online assessment and the self-assessment. And then step 2, you're going to write down your goals for 2016. And then step 3 is having an accountability factor. All right, so you have your steps. I appreciate you joining me today. I can't wait until we talk to each other again. If you want to contact me, I am easy to reach at staciaalexander.com, which is my blog, or you can go on my Facebook page at Stacia Alexander and send me an inbox message. I look forward to your comments, and I can't wait to see what we accomplish in 2016 as we activate our lifestyles.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.